Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everybody. It's a hot day here in Kentucky, so I figured what better time than to make Gazborscht. Thank you. But we're actually talking about a marriage between two different soups. We have the Borscht, which is a sour, beet-based soup, and then we have the Gazpacho, which is more refreshing, tomato-based, and usually served cold. And this soup will be as well. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. All right, y'all, since we're gonna be making a type of borscht, we're gonna need beets. So, shred 3 cups. All right, I have equipped my food processor with a shredding disc, so we're gonna get to it. All right, now before we prepare any of our other veggies, we're gonna go ahead and start cooking these beets. So grab a pot, and we're gonna add our 5 cups of water, our shredded beets, tomato paste, and salt. All right, we're gonna bring this to a boil, and then bring it down to a simmer, partially cover it, and let it simmer for 5 minutes. All right, so we're gonna take this off and let it cool completely. While that's cooling, we're gonna start chopping all of our veggies because we got plenty of them. So we have our English cucumber, which we're not going to peel. We're gonna chop this coarsely. These are gonna be processed in the food processor too, so I'm not terribly concerned how great they're chopped, if that wasn't obvious. We have a small onion, which we're also going to coarsely chop. 3 average-sized tomatoes. We're gonna chop these coarsely as well. Juice from 2 lemons, or 1/4 cup. We also need a 1/2 cup of loosely packed cilantro. I think that's perfect. And 1 good slice of really nice bread. Okay, I think our beet mixture has cooled enough. So we're gonna start processing a lot of this stuff. Let's grab a cup of our beets and beet juice. Not like that. Add it to our food processor, along with 1/2 the tomato, 1/2 the cucumber, 1/2 the onion, our bread, olive oil, and lemon juice. Now we're gonna process this for about 15 seconds. We don't want the bread to be recognizable anymore, but we still want it to be chunky. All right, now we're gonna add the rest of our veggies along with our cilantro. We're gonna pulse it about 10 times. All right, now we're gonna add all of this back to the pot. Then we're gonna throw it in the fridge for about 30 minutes. And you wanna make sure you taste it for salt and pepper. All right, this bowl ain't pretty, but it's the biggest one I got. Let me see how many more times I can transfer this beet red soup that won't stain everything it touches. Also, make sure your food processor is big enough. Fun fact! Cucumbers contain most of the vitamins and minerals you need every day, just in small amounts. Got bad breath? Try a cucumber slice. Just press it against the roof of your mouth with your tongue for 30 to 90 seconds, and the phytochemicals working with your saliva will take care of that problematic bacteria. And the temperature inside of a cucumber can be up to 20 degrees cooler than the outside temperature. And that's where the phrase "cool as a cucumber" is thought to have originated. 30 minutes is up. Grab an avocado. Have to test it. Yes. Let's try it. I just blew on it. So I have to admit, I don't think I've ever had gazpacho, and I don't think I've ever had a cold soup before, so I don't really know what to compare this to. This is good. It's like a mild salsa, almost. I was a little worried about the beets because they can be overpowering, but these are not, probably because they were cooked. I mean, you know, if you put avocado with anything, it's gonna be good. So I'm a fan of that too. You get the nice freshness from the onion and from the cilantro. This is good. I don't think I could eat an entire bowl, not because it's just too much. It's just, when it comes to cold soup, I don't know how I feel about it. Like I said, it kind of reminds me of a mild salsa, and I love salsa. But I don't necessarily want to eat it as a soup. I think I'd prefer to have this in a smaller version. So maybe put it in a cup. Put it in a cup, you know, kind of as a nice little light appetizer. It is quite refreshing though, I will have to say. Oh, you know what? I was just thinking what would be also be good with this? Some of that bread. It's good, but it wasn't like as fantastic like I thought it was gonna be. All right, y'all. I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Nope, you're bad. Bad kitty cats, no good treats. All right, we have our seedless cucumber, which we are not going to peel.